Okay, day 6 in the valley, and there was a little bit of rain last night, locally, hopefully only. Yeah, this is it. Helluva River Pass. So it's Saturday, day 6. We got into the valley on Monday and flooded since then. Ooh, look at that. That's the way to go. So I'm going to try and get across here. It's not too bad. Okay, it's pulling much lower than it was. I just got to get across this. I made it through there. Whoa. Okay. Up. Slowly. The red still hasn't come up yet. Slowly. Okay, red is danger. So it's below the red, so it's below danger. And the current's going with me. So whatever happens, I'm going that way anyway. I just mustn't get caught over there. Slowly. Wait, let me check. I need to make sure I can get back. Yeah, okay. Hold against the side here. Maybe that thing's showing me the way. There's no red there yet, so we're in danger. There's something there. Probably the edge of the road. But that's it. Woo! Made it! Made it! Oh, the journey can continue. Yes! Oh my goodness. What a flippin' adventure. Oh my goodness. It is a bit of a storm. But it's no worse than going into strong surf. So I can feel underfoot there's quite a bit of debris here. It's obviously been washed down and dumped here as the current slows down. Just a little section here before that pole. It's a bit of debris, but the rest is clear. I'll try and get across here again. Yeah, we can do it. Yes. Yeah, thank you very much. It was excellent. Really good. Thank you. Cheers. Cheers. That's it. Now. Oh, puppy. Oh, yes, you're such a puppy. Don't get eaten by the baboons, okay? Baie dankie hoor. Baie dankie. Krijg van mij een prentjie. Baie dankie.
Sterkte veel broer. You say.
Drew,
thank you
very much for your help.
Thank you.
And for all the offers, and I had a fantastic time.
Yeah,
it was the best place to get stuck.
Yeah,
the best place.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. day's track on the other side of the Gamka River. Finally out. Somebody's been down here. Bucky. No sound. What is die plek? Fonteinplaas. Let's have a stop at Fonteinplaas. Cup of coffee, bacon, egg and cheese toasty and slap chips and topped up with chocolate and some goodies from Marionette's shop. Been fit. It's given me a lift to the top of Helluva Pass. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Woo. Wow. Cool. A massive pass, that Helluva Pass. Yo, I don't know. It would have taken me the whole day to walk up there. Nice, not so bad, not so bad. Oh, a big cliff here. Okay, so we made it to the cliff. Uncle Charles Stowe. I'll have to find out what the story is about this. So that's it for the day. I'm about 15 k's from the T-junction with the Swartberg Pass, and there's this little dwelling here. So this is it for the night. Make camp in here, no problem. A bit windy, but That's it.